Okay, welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you another form that we graph with. You have all been graphing with the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. This is called the point-slope form. It's a little different. You'll notice right here that this is going to be your ordered pair. X1 and Y1 are going to be right here. And your slope is going to be right here. So I have a few examples we're going to go over and graph them. And really all you need to graph is one point and the slope to navigate, and you have your line. All right, so I'm going to do the second one first. And then we'll talk about this one. All right. So if you look at this one, you'll notice that the ordered pair for number 2 is going to be 2 for my x-coordinate, 5 for my y, and my slope is going to be a half, so it's going to be a positive slope going up. So if you remember on the last form, we always started on the y-intercept. Here we are going to start at 2, 5. So here's the origin. So we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is your, that's not a point, I just made a mark there. Okay. So that is your starting point. Again, 2, 5. So now we're going to navigate with the slope here. So we're going to go up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. And I always like to go backwards, so I'm going to go back to 2, 5 and go down 1 over 2. There's my y-intercept. Down 1 over 2. And let's do one more. Down 1 over 2. There is my line. Okay, let's take a look at number 1 now. All right, you'll notice there's nothing here. So what that is telling you, if there's nothing there, then my x point is going to be 0. And my y point is 1. Okay. And then my slope is going to be negative. I always make my numerator negative over 3, 1 over 3. Okay? So 0, 1 is actually the y-intercept, correct? 0, 1. And then I'm going to go down 1. And to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's a little bit down 1, 1, 2, 3. Got a very sensitive pen here. Down 1 over 3, 1, 2, 3. You'll notice my line is going down because it's negative. Let's do a couple of opposite points. So I'll go up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, and there's my line. Again, you read a line left to right, so that's negative. All right. Let's look at number 3. Now you'll notice here, okay, again, x. X is 0, right? So we get another 0, 1. There's no number there again, it'll be 0. However, look at the y. if you'll notice on the slope up here, or the formula, it's negative y. And down here it says plus 1. So what happened was that the y-coordinate was actually negative 1. Because a negative and a negative made a positive. Okay, so there's my starting point. And my slope is going to be negative 2 over 3. And we'll get that started there. Okay, so I'm going to be at the y-intercept again. Again, you could start anywhere. And then you're going to go down 2. 1, 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's my point. Down 2 over 3. Then I can go backwards and go up 2 over 3. Okay. And then let's do one more. Up 2 over 3. All right. There's my line. Okay, those two are not points. Again, my sensitive pen. Let me erase them. There it is. All right. I'm going to stop for a second. If you want to try number 4, you can. So you could pause it. All right. Now, if you paused it, let's see what you got. All right. So our ordered pair is going to be 3. And you'll notice that's plus 3, so that means the y was negative 3, right? The slope, another negative slope, so that's negative 1 over 3. So we're starting at a location in the 4th quadrant, right? 1, 2, 3, down 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do my slope, get a few points and draw the line. Okay, so I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's go backwards, so start at 3, negative 3, go up 1, over 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's my y-intercept. Up 1, over 3, 1, 2, 3. And we got a line here. So we've just graphed with the point slope form. Some people like it. My preference is the slope intercept form. It's just the one I've used a lot more often than this one. Okay.